Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and hope our ideas inspire your creativity. Be sure to subscribe for more exciting DIY projects and decor tips. Stay connected, keep creating, and make your space uniquely beautiful. Thanks for being part of our community. To complement your seasonal garden decor. Sustainable garden decoration not only beautifies your space but also promotes environmental responsibility. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of driftwood wall art, an enchanting and eco-friendly way to add natural beauty and rustic charm to any room. Driftwood, collected from beaches and riverbanks, is a versatile material that brings a touch of the ocean or river life into your home decor. Its unique shapes, textures, and weathered surfaces make each piece one of a kind, offering endless possibilities for artistic expression. Whether you're an experienced crafter or a beginner looking to add a personal touch to your decor, driftwood wall art is both accessible and inspiring. This form of art not only will explore various creative techniques, but also promotes design ideas and tips to help you craft natural driftwood wall art that reflects your style and personality. Let's embark on this natural and artistic journey together. The first step in creating driftwood wall art is sourcing the right materials. Collecting driftwood can be an enjoyable outdoor activity, but it requires a keen eye for quality and safety. Look for pieces that are well weathered, smooth, and free of sharp edges or rot. Consider different sizes, shapes, and textures to add diversity to your artwork. Once collected, clean the driftwood thoroughly using water and a brush to remove dirt, sand, or salt residues. Allow the pieces to dry completely before starting your project. Proper preparation ensures durability and ease of handling during assembly. Additionally, you can treat the wood with a natural sealant or wood oil to enhance its appearance and longevity. Choosing the right driftwood is crucial, as it sets the foundation for your design. Whether you prefer a minimalist look with a few large pieces or a more intricate mosaic, adding personal touches and embellishments to driftwood wall art can elevate your design from simple to spectacular. Incorporate elements like shells, beads, feathers, or small mirrors to enhance the natural theme. Painting or staining the driftwood can also create striking contrasts or complement your existing decor. For a bohemian look, consider applying vibrant colors or intricate patterns using acrylic paints. If you prefer a more subtle appearance, a light coat of natural stain or clear varnish can highlight the wood's textures and grains. Embellishments can be glued or wired onto the driftwood, allowing for flexible customization. Additionally, integrating other natural materials such as twine, hemp, or dried flowers can enrich the tactile experience and visual appeal. Remember to balance your embellishments to avoid overwhelming the natural beauty of the driftwood. Layering textures and colors thoughtfully will create a harmonious and eye-catching piece. Personalization is what makes your driftwood wall art truly unique. So let your creativity flow and make it a reflection of your personality. Maintaining and caring for driftwood wall art ensures that your masterpiece remains beautiful. Over time, dust and dirt can accumulate on the textured surfaces, so regular gentle cleaning with a soft brush or cloth is recommended. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners that could damage the wood or finishes. If you've applied a sealant or varnish, check periodically for signs of wear or fading, and reapply as necessary to preserve your artwork's appearance. If your driftwood piece is exposed to sunlight, consider positioning it away from direct rays to prevent discoloration. Environmental factors like humidity and temperature fluctuations can affect the wood, so maintaining a stable indoor climate helps prolong its lifespan. For outdoor installations, additional weatherproofing treatments are advisable to protect against moisture and decay. Handling your driftwood art with care during cleaning and maintenance will keep it looking vibrant and intact for years to come. Proper care not only preserves its aesthetic but also honors the natural beauty and craftsmanship involved in creating your unique piece. The versatility of driftwood wall art allows it to blend seamlessly with various interior decor styles. In coastal or beach-inspired homes, it enhances the relaxed, breezy atmosphere, creating a visual connection to nature and the ocean. Rustic interiors benefit from the natural textures and irregular shapes, adding warmth and authenticity. In modern minimalist spaces, a carefully curated driftwood piece can serve as a striking focal point that introduces organic elements without cluttering the design. Eclectic interiors embrace the diversity of textures and shapes, making driftwood a perfect addition to a curated collection of artifacts. You can also use driftwood to craft functional decor items like coat hooks, candle holders, or picture frames, integrating artistry into everyday objects. Experimenting with different styles and placements allows you to personalize your space truly. Whether hanging above a fireplace, in a hallway, or as part of a gallery wall, driftwood wall art adds a distinctive, natural charm that elevates your home decor. In conclusion, driftwood wall art offers a unique blend of natural beauty, artistic expression, and environmental mindfulness. This craft allows you to personalize your space with one-of-a-kind pieces that tell a story of nature's resilience and artistry. Whether you're aiming for a subtle accent or a bold statement piece, the versatility of driftwood makes it suitable for various decor styles and settings. With patience, creativity, and a touch of craftsmanship, you can create stunning wall art that elevates your interior design while honoring the environment. Remember to source your materials responsibly. Experiment with different designs and embellishments, and care for your artwork to ensure longevity. As you embark on your driftwood art journey, let the natural textures and forms inspire you to craft something truly unique. Thank you for joining Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. Happy creating and decorating. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and hope our ideas inspire your creativity. Be sure to subscribe for more exciting DIY projects and decor tips. Stay connected, keep creating, and make your space uniquely beautiful. Thanks for being part of our community.